found this abandoned place. We're gonna see if there's anything in it or around. And we'll see. That scared the crap out of me. I was looking to see what's in the back. See what's all around. It's real soft back here. It's very, very weird. All right. Door's wide open. Floor seems pretty sturdy still.
Kids' schools.
Some kids' schools. Yeah, somebody must, to get in here originally, somebody must have taken the light off the front porch, threw it through a window.
Oh, bird's nest.
Bird's nest in the closet.
You should have brought a flashlight.
I know, I don't know why I forgot a flashlight today. Well, be careful, it is very mushy in the backyard, so this is probably pretty messed up too. Hi, Mom.
Why'd you just say that?
Because I looked in the mirror. Be careful.
You want to go in there? No, it's the kitchen.
No, good. The whole ceiling fell down in this room. Okay, so watch out. Yeah, that floor's caving in bad. There's the kitchen. Wonder what happened. It seems pretty sturdy. There's,
I hate that window.
it's so scary because it's so windy today. Like you just hear. Oh, that is some crazy wallpaper. Don't go down there. I don't know how trusty these steps are. There's a lot of poop in here. Oh, yeah. Gross. This is all. I'm not going up those steps. I don't know what's up there. But I'm not stepping into that giant thing. No, it's.
Can I?
Be careful.
Can you come here?
Here, you want to take the camera up?
It's still going. So I won't die or anything.
Just be careful. Watch. Make sure to check before you step.
Oh, you gotta come up here.
Huh?
Come up here. You don't have to. It smells really bad.
Yeah, it does.
A lot of ribbons.
White. Slippery rock. That's crazy. Age 1 year and something.
Can I go?
I don't know. It stinks.
We should probably have on things. Really?
That's a weird cubby hole.
These are both cubby holes. It's so weird.
Identical side cubby holes. That's pretty weird. Alright. Let's head back downstairs. What's that? It's just like a Care Bear ring or something.
Horse ribbons.
Oh, they're horse ribbons.
There, that's why it smells like that.
I don't think that's why it smells like that.
No, it smells like literal horse steak.
This place has probably been abandoned for forever. Alright. Alright. Oh, the glass keeps. Shoes? Oh, they are little kid shoes. Pretty crazy. It's so weird that it has 2 doors on the front porch. Alright. Not really. There's so much stuff left in the garage. Who knows what's over there? That's locked.